7 best bodyweight exercises for a stronger, fitter you. Just imagine. You can build a strong, toned, and healthy body without ever stepping into a gym. No machines, no expensive equipment, just your own body weight. Sounds unbelievable. Watch this video till the end, because we'll show you 7 incredibly effective bodyweight exercises that can transform your physique and boost your fitness in just 1 month, all from home. Don't miss the final exercise. It's a powerhouse move that builds muscle and burns fat at the same time. Let's get started. 1. Push-ups. First on the list is push-ups. This classic move targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also engaging your core and lower body for stability. Push-ups are one of the best exercises to develop upper body strength and muscle tone. With consistent practice, you'll notice a more defined chest and stronger shoulders within a few weeks. Push-ups also strengthen your core, improving posture and balance. To keep seeing progress, increase intensity by adding more reps or trying advanced variations like diamond or decline push-ups. Because push-ups engage multiple muscles at once, they burn more calories and boost your metabolism even when you're resting. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps daily for maximum results. 2. Jumping jacks. Next, we have jumping jacks, a fun yet powerful full-body cardio exercise. This move increases your heart rate, improves circulation, and strengthens your heart. Regular jumping jacks build stamina, helping you perform longer workouts without fatigue. They tone your legs, glutes, and calves, while also engaging your abs and arms. Over time, this leads to better coordination, endurance, and balance. Since they're high intensity, jumping jacks burn calories quickly, supporting fat loss and a leaner physique. To perform correctly, jump with your feet apart while raising your arms overhead. Then return to the starting position. Do 3 sets of 60 seconds each. 3. Glute bridges. Third, we have glute bridges, one of the most effective exercises for strengthening your glutes and hamstrings. This move also stabilizes your lower back and improves posture. Strong glutes are vital for athletic performance, balance, and injury prevention. Glute bridges work your core and help improve hip mobility, reducing lower back and knee strain. Over time, this exercise enhances body alignment and gives your lower body a firmer, sculpted look. To perform correctly, lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips to form a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold briefly, then lower down. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. 4 squats. Number 4. Squats. Known as the king of bodyweight exercises, squats strengthen your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves. They're excellent for building lower body strength and improving mobility. Regular squats shape your legs and lift your glutes, giving you a strong, athletic, lower body. Squats also activate your core muscles, improving stability and posture. Because they engage large muscle groups, squats burn a significant number of calories and enhance your metabolism. To do them properly, keep your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your hips while keeping your back straight, then push up to the starting position. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. 5. Lunges. The 5th exercise is lunges. Lunges target the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, helping you build balanced leg strength. They improve coordination, posture, and flexibility, especially in the hips and knees. Regular lunges also enhance joint mobility and reduce stiffness caused by sitting for long hours. Lunges help burn fat and tone the lower body, giving your legs and glutes a firm, sculpted look. To perform lunges correctly, step forward with one leg, keeping your back straight and both knees bent at 90 degrees. Push back to the starting position and switch legs. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. 6. Plank. Number 6. The plank. This simple yet powerful exercise targets your entire core, including your abs, obliques, and lower back. Holding a plank strengthens your midsection, improves posture, and reduces back pain. Planks also engage your shoulders, chest, and legs, improving overall stability and muscle endurance. They burn calories while toning your abs, giving you a flatter, stronger core. To perform, rest on your elbows with your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold for 60 seconds. Complete 3 sets. 7. Mountain climbers. Finally, mountain climbers, the ultimate fat-burning, full-body exercise. This high-intensity move boosts your heart rate, strengthens your core, and improves cardiovascular endurance. Mountain climbers work multiple muscle groups, including your shoulders, chest, arms, glutes, and legs. They're excellent for burning calories and improving agility and coordination. Because they engage the entire body, they continue burning calories even after your workout. To perform correctly, start in a plank position and quickly drive one knee toward your chest. Alternating legs in a running motion, perform 3 sets of 30 seconds, and there you have it. The 7 best bodyweight exercises you can do anywhere, anytime. No equipment, no excuses, just your body and determination. Add these moves to your daily routine, and in a month, you'll notice a stronger, leaner, and more confident version of yourself. By the way, friends, be sure to check out other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon.